Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Paramji and you're watching Doctor Education. This is the channel where we try to give you good quality medical education about your health concerns and health topics. Today we are going to talk about green tea.
If you want to know about health and have health concerns, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified about all upcoming videos.
Ever since ages, green tea has been used for its medicinal purposes in China and Japan. So, scientists have done a lot of research on this green tea and its exact effects. Guys, green tea, black tea or oolong tea, all of these tea are basically produced from the same plant. Its name is Camellia sinensis. In order to actually produce green tea, the fresh leaves of this plant are lightly steamed and then processed to form green tea. And green tea is basically marketed as a beverage, and nowadays liquid extracts and capsules are also available in the market. So guys, in all these research, a lot of research has been done on green tea, and what we have found that there is some conclusive evidence that green tea is effective for something and not so effective on other things. First and foremost, if talking about research, there has been a lot of research whether or not regular consumption of green tea as a beverage is useful for cancer patients. So guys, let me tell you, there is no conclusive evidence that it is beneficial or harmful for a cancer patient. So basically, it does not affect. It does not have any effect. So for cancer, it's not so conclusive. So there is no evidence that it is useful. Now, as for weight loss, many of us actually use green tea on a regular basis, thinking that it's helpful to reduce weight. But in all the research which we have done, there is no conclusive evidence that green tea in any way helps in reducing weight. So if you are drinking green tea with an intention to lose weight, then there is no such evidence that you will lose weight just because of green tea. Then we talk about heart. Guys, green tea is definitely helpful for heart patients. Drinking green tea as a beverage in a moderate amount regularly helps reducing your blood pressure in a very little amount, and it helps controlling your cholesterol levels. So blood pressure and cholesterol levels are better controlled with the help of green tea, but the effect is not very drastic. It's a slight effect, so it helps. And because it reduces the blood pressure and cholesterol, there is an indirect decrease in the risk of developing heart diseases, right? So that's how green tea helps in heart patients. Then to summarize, green tea does not have any conclusive anti-cancer effect, no conclusive weight loss effect. It doesn't decrease your blood pressure. It does help you control your cholesterol levels and therefore helps you in your heart disease. But if you take a lot of green tea, especially if you are taking concentrated green tea extracts, then there can be some risks there can be some side effects, especially on the liver. So if you face any kind of liver disease, then you should think about taking green tea, but still, taking it as a beverage in a moderate to mild amount does not cause any major side effect. But yes, it does contain caffeine. So just as any other caffeinated beverage, green tea will also increase your alertness, keep you fresh, but it can have side effects like headache, jitters, shakiness, which can be because of the caffeine content, which is same as the black tea or any other tea which has caffeine. So if you are drinking green tea, all these things come to a matter and you should know about all these things. And guys, there are a lot of articles and a lot of videos which you can see online which are giving unverified and useless information about green tea or any other topics. I will advise you to confirm the information by going through medical research articles which are available online in US National Medical Library website, and you should always think about the credibility of the article whichever you are reading before applying the same onto your life. So if you have any other questions about any other health topic or green tea, please do write to us or comment in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share the video as much as you can. I'm Dr. Paramjeet and you're watching Dr. Education.